so passionate about improving your own life that you don't have time to hate, judge, criticize, argue, and gossip about others. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Riva classes. This is a Sunday special class, Knowledge Bucket. So, for today's session, the question number first is: who translated Satyajit Ray's book Another Dozen Stories from Bengali to English? Answer is Indrani Majumdar. The book was released on 100th birth anniversary of Satyajit Ray on 2nd of May 2021. Question number 2 is: which state has launched a new policy to double its oxygen manufacturing capacity? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has launched a new policy to double its oxygen manufacturing capacity from existing 360 metric ton capacity to 700 metric ton. Question number 3 is: which Sri Lankan cricketer announced his retirement from international cricket? Answer is Thisara Perera. Sri Lankan all-rounder Thisara Perera announced his retirement from international cricket at the age of 32. Question number 4 is: which city launched India's first agriculture export facilitation center? Answer is Pune. India's first agro-export facilitation center has been launched in Pune by Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Industry and Agriculture in collaboration with the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Question number 5 is: who is the longest serving Chief Minister of West Bengal? Answer is Jyoti Basu is the longest serving Chief Minister of West Bengal with over 23 years in office. Question number 6 is: what is the name of India's first satellite? Answer is Aryabhat. The India's first satellite was launched on 19th April 1975. It is named after famous Indian astronomer Aryabhat. It is built by the ISRO. It is built to conduct experiments in X-ray astronomy, aeronautics and solar physics. Question number 7 is: who has been elected as President of the Central Tibetan Administration? Answer is Penpa Tsering, the former Speaker of Tibetan Parliament in exile. Penpa Tsering has been elected as President of the Central Tibetan Administration. Question number 8 is: who has become the first Indian fighter to become MMA World Champion? Answer is Arjun Singh Bhullar became the first Indian fighter to win the one heavyweight world title at the top level mixed martial arts world championship event in Singapore on May 16, 2021. Question number 9 is: when is International Day Against Homophobia, Transphobia and Biphobia observed? Answer is 17th of May. Question number 10 is: Johnson & Johnson has partnered with which Indian pharma company for manufacturing its COVID-19 vaccine? Answer is Biological E. US pharmaceutical company Johnson & Johnson has partnered with Biological E Indian pharma company for manufacturing its COVID-19 vaccine. So this is it for today's session. If you found this video helpful, then please share this as much as you can, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.